Hello viewers and welcome to another session of Autodesk Civil 3D 2022. We have recently started section number 15, which was about corridors and linear works part 2, which is the intermediate part of what we have already learned before. We have gone through the study material and I hope that you have gone through all the topics before you start with this session, which would be creation of a simple linear work. So here you can find the supporting file along with this video tutorial. You can access it. We can select the surface, go to surface properties. Here the name is e.g. existing ground. So let's name it properly as existing ground. Let's apply and then press OK. Now you can select this alignment, go to alignment properties, and it is showing that axis of highway 1. So we can give an appropriate name like highway 1. Next we can go to profile, create profile. We have to select the alignment as highway and the selected surface as existing corridor or existing ground. Then we can add it. Now, in general, we can change the name of profile view name. So we will give the name as profile view of highway. We can change and add the modifier suffix to the layer as underscore static. Next, we will keep the station range as automatic and the profile view height as automatic. Here you can see the existing ground surface is there, draw is checked, so we can proceed further to the data bands. Let's keep these things all by default and create a profile view. A profile view has been created. Now we can access the tool palette from here. There are different types of assemblies available. Let's choose this basic assembly, place it at an appropriate position like this. You can see all these data. The details are by default. You can change them later as well. However, we are creating a simple linear work, so let's go with by default values. Now we have a surface, an alignment, a profile, and an assembly. Now we are all set to create a corridor, so we'll give a name as highway corridor. Make sure you have a profile already, otherwise it won't work. In layers, we will add the modifier suffix as underscore static. We want the baseline type to be alignment and profile. Alignment is highway and profile is existing ground surface. Assembly has been selected as basic assembly and we will select the existing ground. Apply to rebuild the corridor and then press the OK button. You will observe that a corridor has been created. You can view this corridor all along the alignment. You can even select it and go to the object viewer to have a cleaner look. Currently we are in realistic mode. You can zoom, pan, or adjust the screen as per your requirement in order to have a clear look. So if we have an orientation like this, you can clearly see the pavement, slope, sidewalk, curb and gutter, and the lanes to the left and right. This is the basic assembly and we haven't done any changes in it. We are doing it all by default. We'll see different changes in the next sessions. However, this was creating simple linear work, so we have gone through by default values. This was the pretty clear and the simplest method to create linear work. Let's save the file as lecture number 84, and once the file is saved, we can close this file. So this was all about creating a simple linear work. In the next sessions, We'll proceed further by getting more and more details and proceeding towards an advancement. Let's call it a day. See you in another session. Till then, take care.